Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, we're going to be doing another pack orders with me. These orders are from my Etsy shop. If you've not yet gotten to check it out, I have got the link down below to my Etsy shop. These are orders that were placed with me over the past week. I do have 3 to pack today. There were a few more that came, but with custom orders, I'm not able to get them that quick, but I definitely try to have them made and cut and all the things within like 2 days. So this is what I've got for today. Also, real quick to note, I am recording while my husband is home on his lunch break. So if you hear noise in the background, that is most likely him. He's gotta eat lunch and feed the dogs. So we're gonna try to get through this without it being a chaotic mess with the dogs. And let's go ahead and jump into this video and pack some orders. So first, we're going to be packing Arlene's order, and it looks like she has gotten 11 of my custom category envelope placeholders. So I do have all of these ready to go on the side, but I'm just gonna triple check that I do have everything for her order. So we've got rent. I'm gonna put them upside down. Groceries, Costco, gas, fur babies. I thought this one was so cute. Electric, phone, auto insurance, household, eating out, and emergency funds. So what I like to do is also throw in a freebie as well as a handwritten card. I've already written these just to save time on the video, but with her card, I always will grab a couple of stickers and a paper clip like that. And then I also will throw in a freebie tracker here, or maybe the cash stuffing fund. I really like doing these because it just helps to build up a savings so that you can go and purchase from any of your small Etsy shops that are your favorites. So I'm gonna throw this in there for her, and then I'm also going to do one of my paper trackers. I have been obsessed with star notes, and so I think it's only fair to go ahead and throw in one of these paper ones so you can fill it in with any marker and just keep track of all the dollars that you have that have stars on them. So I'm gonna throw these both in there. I think that'd be fun, and I'll just like throw it with the paper clip, but I kind of don't like that. So let me switch this around a little bit. I think I'm gonna do it at the other side so she can see her name. And I'll throw the stickers on the outside. And the dogs are here too, so they're gonna be barking, I'm sure. Okay, so a couple little freebies, her thank you card for shopping with me, and some stickers to throw wherever she likes. And what I like to do with this is I throw it into a small little bag here so that it stands out away from her order. I just recently started doing this, so if you've already placed an order with me and it didn't come this way, that is why, because I just started doing it. I just find it better to maybe just separate the things, and it's one more thing. Oh, I should turn this around. It's one more thing that you get to open, which I love opening presents. So I just wanted to create that for y'all. And then also on the back here, it says thank you, which I think is so cute. And did I do that the right way? Yes, I did. Okay. So then we will just seal this. And then I do have some stickers over here that are not out. I am obsessed with smiley faces, especially with the lightning bolts and the star. So I thought it'd be really cute to throw these on the back of the freebies. Like that. Super cute. Okay, so there's her freebies. And then for her actual order, I've got a different bag that I use. It's just longer, and they look like this clear bag. And then while it's facing away from me, just throw it in there. It slides. I really like the square ones that you just saw the freebies go into, but I need to make my way through these, and then I'll probably just keep buying the square ones because I like those. And then a fun little trick to get the air out is to cut the corners. I saw that somewhere on here. I can't remember whose channel it was because I've been obsessed with watching y'all's pack orders with me, and it's not even just with the cash stuffing community. I'm absolutely loving watching just anybody's pack orders with me, and I thought it was just such a cool idea. So that is why we're doing it. I like to throw that down, and then we do one of my Millennial dollar stickers. So I don't think I've set it on here yet, but my little shop on Etsy is called the Millennial Dollar. I am a millennial. I feel like we get a little bit of a bad rap, but you know what? Wear it proud, okay? So I'm a millennial, and that is her order. So we're just gonna throw it into her shipping package, and I have already put her label on here, but for her privacy, I'm not going to show the front. And just to triple check, because this is new for me, so I have done, we double checked her order, gave her her freebies and thank you card and stickers and a paper clip. I just have to walk through it because I'm always nervous that I'm gonna forget something. So that is it. Seal that up, and then we throw a cute little thank you for supporting my small business sticker on the back, and that one is ready to go. So next I have Kirby's order here, and it looks like she ordered one of my holiday bundles. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. Okay. So my holiday bundle has all of the holidays in it, plus a celebrations placeholder in there. And then she also ordered 32 of my custom category envelope placeholders. I absolutely love this because this makes me feel like we are changing up our setup, and I just want to say thank you so much, Kirby, for your order. Holy moly. So let's just triple check that we have all of her categories here. So we've got Kirby, Sean, Yaslin, I hope I said that right, Anthony, Luna, I love Luna, games, concerts, medical, dental, eye care, car maintenance, but she had it abbreviated, car registration, car repair, car insurance, graduation, prom. It is prom season, so I bet she's prepping for next year. College, uniforms, school clothes and shoes, school supplies, field trip. I'm not sure what the YB is, but field trip, annual subs, so annual subscriptions, family B-days, birthdays, work B-days. I thought this was so sweet. I haven't seen anybody do this before, but that is so nice that you've got, I'm assuming you've got a really good relationship with your work besties. So work B-days, boat, soar, new car, fun, house insurance, flood insurance, and Sean's 40th. Now, a little bit about me is that when I got this order in, I immediately ran to see where this order was being shipped to. And it's being shipped to Florida because as soon as I saw the flood insurance, I was like, oh my goodness, she must live in Florida. And I only know this because my family, all of them except for myself, are insurance adjusters. And so, I don't know, it's just something in our family that we know. But we're gonna throw these into this bag, and it's such a big order. This is like one of my biggest orders to date. So thank you so much again, Kirby. Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna have to do this in a square one though, because I don't like how that looks. So let's see. This will probably look so much better. Yeah, I think that'll look much better once I get it all folded. I got these scissors from Target. I don't know, the gold was just calling my name. So, I mean, look at them. They're so pretty and they're long, heavy, sturdy scissors. Gotta get things that make you happy. Okay, so we're gonna wrap this up. So we have her custom placeholders and her holiday bundle placeholders, and we do have everything there, so perfect. And then I've already written her card. So now the fun part, we get to pick out her freebies, which I've got them back here. So I think I want to do a star note, and it seems like she's got a lot of stuff going on with her kids, maybe here soon. So let's do, I'm gonna do a cash stuffing fund, and I'm gonna do, did she have birthdays? Yeah, she had a bunch of birthday ones. So I make some extras just because I wanna make sure that like all of the sheet is used sometimes. So I think I will throw in, I'm gonna throw in a savings for her because it looks like she's saving up for a lot of, you know, things for the school situation. And so we'll do a savings. So savings, cash stuffing fund, and a star note if she's interested in starting that journey. And we'll throw in, kind of like this flower. We'll throw in a couple of, but I want it to be seen. Okay. I think that looks good, and we are putting it at the bottom now that we have this figured out. That looks so good. Okay. And then my paper clips are just like the teardrop ones, or some people call these ice cream cones. Either way, super cute. Okay, so we've got our freebies. And then I'm going to throw that in here so she sees it when she opens up her package. I keep doing that backwards. Okay, bear with me. Okay. It's actually not too loud in here, so that's nice. Okay. And one of my little fun stickers back here. Yay. So we'll throw this into her bag. Make sure I've got the right one. I have also been thinking about wrapping these in tissue paper. I don't know, to make it like one more thing that gets wrapped and like you have to open it up. I just love opening gifts, so I think I'm going to do that in the future. But it's like you don't know exactly what you want to do until you start, and that's really what is important, is just starting it. So thank you, Kirby, so much for your order. I appreciate it so much, and yours is getting mailed out today. Next, I have an order for Trina, and just because it's at the top of my mind right now, So when you place an order for my custom envelope placeholders, be sure that you select the quantity, and then in the description, the personalization is where you list them out. I've had a few people accidentally just like select one and then list out all their categories. And yeah, I mean, it's inevitable, it's gonna happen, but just thought I'd give you guys a heads up if you are interested in placing an order with me. So for Trina, we've got her thank you card here. And then she ordered personal savings, debt, credit card, self-care, vehicle, personal, health, travel, school, and miscellaneous. And then if you are new and haven't yet seen how these are used, actually let me just grab it real quick because I've got one here that y'all can see. In my cash stuffings, you guys have probably seen these, and I do have it linked down below, but these are the envelopes that you put them in. They're just cheaper to get on Amazon, guys. It's like less than $6 to get 15 of these. So I personally like to put it on this side that's shorter. I don't know why that was hard for a second, but they look like this. And so they fit perfectly in there. You're not concerned about your, matte vellum coming undone. They're soft and great to the touch. Your money just fits right in behind it. So that is what these placeholders are for. If you've also been struggling with the matte vellum. Okay, so we've got all of her categories here. Let me just go ahead and put them in a bag. Oh, wrong way. Probably easier if I cut the bag first, I've only done one other pack orders with me, so we're just learning here. Okay, so apparently my recording just stopped, and so I apologize, but we did show the order. I did throw in some stickers and a few other things. Apparently my storage was full and gotta delete that deleted folder to make this work. So anyways, I just wanted to say thank you so much, Trina, for your order. I appreciate it. And I saw that it was going to Maryland, was something that I said because I was actually born in Bethesda, Maryland. And so I was really excited to pack your order and get this sent out to you. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching me pack a few orders that I got within the past few days. I appreciate it so much, and also that you guys are loving my items. I have been so excited to get these all out to you, and thank you if you're watching this and have already placed an order with me for leaving a review on my Etsy shop. I appreciate it so, so much, and I hope all of you guys have the best day. And real quick, before you leave, if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Right here is a picture of me. If you click it, you'll be subscribed, and turn on your bell notification so that you know every time I upload a new video. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.